Next exercise 8b, first question. Using factor theorem, show that x minus 2 is a factor of x cube minus 2x square minus 9x plus 18. Hence, factorize the expression completely. That is the question. So, we have to factorize it also. So, first we can write, let the expression be fx is equal to, as usual, fx is equal to this one, x cube minus 2x square minus 9x plus 18. And it is given x minus 2 is a factor. No, show that x minus 2 is a factor. So, how can we show it is a factor? We know if we can show f of 2 is equal to 0, we can say that x minus 2 is a factor of this expression. Right? That is what? Factor theorem. So, we can find what is f of 2. Now, substitute the value of x here. F of 2, x is 2. 2 cube minus 2 into 2 square minus 9 into 2, here x becomes 2 plus 18. When you solve, you will get 0. Here 8 minus 8, right? 8 minus 8, 0. Here minus 9 into 2, minus 18. Minus 18 plus 18, 0. So, total sum 0. Therefore, we get f of 2 is equal to 0. If f of 2 is equal to 0, what can we say? X minus 2 is a factor of fx. That is factor theorem. So, we can write, since f of 2 is equal to 0, x minus 2 is a factor of fx. Now, we know one factor. X minus 2 is a factor. By direct division, we can find the other factor. Look, as usual, we can divide. This is the given expression. It is divided by x minus 2. We get the quotient x square minus 9. Because here the remainder is 0. Right? When remainder is 0, we can say that x minus 2 as well as x square minus 9 are factors of this expression fx. Therefore, we get two factors. So, this can be written as, that means x cube minus 2x square minus 9x plus 18 is equal to x minus 2 into x square minus 9. Right? Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Right? You studied this fact in standard 2. Do you remember that? Anyway, we can write this fx. This is what? Fx is equal to x minus 2 into this. So, now we know two factors. X minus 2 into x square minus 9. Can we factorize it again? This factor. Can you factorize it? X square minus 9. X square minus 9 can be written as x plus 3 into x minus 3. Which identity we can use? A square minus b square form. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So, instead of x square minus 9, we can write x plus 3 into x minus 3. So, the factors are, you can see, the factors are x minus 2 and x plus 3 and x minus 3 are the factors of this expression. Clear? But the question is factorize it completely. Factorize means write the factors in product form. This is what product form. You have to express the factors in product form. If the question was which are the factors of this, in that case we can write the factors are x minus 2, x plus 3 and x minus 3. Okay. Here the question is factorize. So you have to write the answer in product form. Okay. Now next one. Next question is show that x plus 5 is a factor of this expression. Hence factorize this expression completely. That is the question. Here also show that. ST means show that x plus 5 is a factor. How can we show? By factor theorem. You have to prove f of minus 5 is equal to 0. If you can prove f of minus 5 is equal to 0, we can write, since f of minus 5 is equal to 0, therefore x plus 5 is a factor of this expression. That is what? Factor theorem. So let's start. Let fx is equal to, as usual, this expression, the given expression, 2x cube plus 5x square minus 28x minus 15. Now we can find what is f of minus 5. We need to find f of minus 5. F of minus 5 is equal to, instead of x, everywhere you have to substitute minus 5. 2 into minus 5 the whole cube, 5 into minus 5 the whole square, minus 28 into minus 5, minus 15. That is, minus 5 the whole cube is minus 125. Minus 125 into 2, minus 250. Here, minus 5 the whole square is 25. 25 into 5, 125. Minus of 28 into minus 5, that is plus 140, minus 15. Simplify this. 125 plus 140 and minus 250 minus 15. Simplify this. You will get 0. Okay. Therefore, we can write, since f of minus 5 is equal to 0, x plus 5 is a factor of fx. Right? Now, if x plus 5 is a factor of this expression, we can divide this expression by x plus 5. We will get another factor. Okay, like this. We can divide by long division method. You have to divide. That is, this is dividend, divisor. Divide it. 2x square, that is the first term of the quotient. 2x square into x, we get the 2x cube itself. Therefore, under that, we can write 2x cube. 2x square into plus 5 becomes plus 10x square. Then subtract, apply rule of subtraction. 5 minus 10, that is, apply rule of subtraction. Change the sign of the number to be subtracted, then add. That is minus 10x square plus 5x square, that is minus 5x square. Here these two cancelled. Bring down the next term. Then here becomes minus 5x square minus 28x. Next, minus 5x into x is minus 5x square. So we can, the next term of the quotient is minus 5x. And minus 5x into plus 5 is minus 25x. As usual, subtract. We get minus 3x here. And this one cancelled. Bring down the next term. And what is the next term in the quotient? That is minus 3. Minus 3 into x is minus 3x. So we can write minus 3x. Minus 3 into plus 5, that is minus 15. Subtract this, we get the remainder 0. Remainder 0. Now we can write x plus 5 and 2x square minus 5x minus 3 are the factors of this expression. This expression means let it be fx. So therefore fx is equal to, we can write fx is equal to product of these two, x plus 5 into this. You can see. Now this is a trinomial. It is a trinomial. It can be again factorized. Here x plus 5 and this. Two factors now we can see. And factorization of trinomial. You have learned it earlier. So split the middle term. Using split the middle term, you can take it separately like this. You can take it separately. 2x square minus 5x minus 3. Take product and sum. Product is equal to 2 into minus 3, that is minus 6, and sum is minus 5. Find two numbers whose product is minus 6 and sum is minus 5. Find two numbers, minus 6 and 1. Minus 6 into 1 is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. Okay, product and sum. In that way you can split the middle term. You can see here, split the middle term. Minus this minus 5x can be written as minus 6x. Sorry, minus 6x plus x, that is minus 5x. And then grouping. First two terms in one group and the next two terms in the other group. Here, what is common factor? That is 2x is common. Take it outside. 2x into x minus 3 plus, you can take 1 outside, 1 into x minus 3. Now, from these two terms, what is common factor? X minus 3 is common in both terms. You can take it outside, x minus 3. What is inside? 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. X minus 3 is common. The remaining is 2x plus 1. So, instead of this 2x square minus 5x minus 3, we can substitute x minus 3 into 2x plus 1. Here, in this place, x minus 3 into 2x plus 1 and one more factor, that is x plus 5. So, now fx is completely factorized. This is what fx, and it is now completely factorized. Next question. Using remainder theorem, factorize. This is the expression given. 3x cube plus 2x square minus 19x plus 6. Here, no factors given. Okay. The question only factorize. Using remainder theorem, factorize this expression. Let's start. Let fx is equal to, consider this expression as fx. Fx is equal to 3x cube plus 2x square minus 19x plus 6. Anyway, we want to find a factor of this expression. After that, we can factorize it completely. How can we find a factor of this expression? We know that suppose f of 1 is equal to 0. Suppose f of 1 is equal to 0. If you get f of 1 as 0, by factor theorem or remainder theorem, we can say that x minus 1 is a factor of this expression. And suppose f of minus 1 is equal to 0, we can say that x plus 1 is a factor of this expression. If f of 2 is equal to 0, we can say that x minus 2 is a factor of this expression. In this way, by trial and error method, you have to find a factor of this expression. You can try the factors of the last constant, that is 6. We know the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6, and again minus 1, 1 and minus 1, 2 and minus 2, 3 and minus 3, 6 and minus 6. These are the factors of the last constant. Try with these numbers. Okay. Now first we can consider f of 1. Consider f of 1. Substitute values. F of 1 is equal to, here you can put 1. When you put here 1, when you put 1, 3 plus 2 minus 19 plus 6. Here itself we know this is not equal to 0. It will not be equal to 0. Therefore, no need of much simplification. You can write this is not equal to 0. Now consider f of minus 1. Substitute minus 1 in the place of x. You can see what's the result. Again, it is also not equal to 0. Try with the 1 minus 1. Next we can choose 2. 2. F of 2 is equal to. Substitute 2. What is the result? We can see. I think it is 0. Yes. When this, simplify this, you will get 0. When f of 2 is equal to 0, by factor theorem, that is, this is the remainder, no? Remainder. So, by factor theorem, we can write x minus 2 is a factor of fx. So, we get one factor, x minus 2. Then, as usual, we can find the other factors. How? Divide this expression by x minus 2, you will get another factor. Like this, you can see the steps. You will get another factor. Like this, you can divide. Like the previous questions. X minus 2, you will get this expression. Therefore, we can write 3x cube plus 2x square minus 19x plus 6 is equal to x minus 2 into this. X minus 2 into this expression. Using product and sum, you can find the factors of this expression because it is a trinomial. Take it separately and find the factors. When you do, you will get two factors which they are 3x minus 1 and x plus 3. You can do it by yourself. Okay. Now, next question. Using remainder theorem, factorize completely. Same type of question. This is the expression given. Let it be fx. Now, using trial and error method, minus 30, that is the last, or 30. You can take the factors of 30 here. They are, the factors of 30 are 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3, 5 minus 5, 6 minus 6, and one more there, 30 and minus 30. Now we can consider first 1, f of 1. You can do with that 1, minus 1, 2. We will not get 0. So, next is f of minus 2. When you substitute minus 2 in the place of x, you will get 0. Okay. Since f of minus 2 is equal to 0, we can say that x plus 2 is a factor of this expression. Now divide the given expression by x plus 2. You will get one more expression. Look. Now this expression, this is what given. Divided by x plus 2, remainder is 0. We get the quotient 3x square minus 4x minus 15. Therefore, this fx is equal to x plus 2 into 3x square minus 4x minus 15. Okay, that is the next step. Again, you can factorize this trinomial again using product and sum. Okay, here you can see the steps. Take it separately. That expression 3x square minus 4x minus 15. Take it separately. What is product? Minus 15 into 3 minus 45. Sum is minus 4. So find two numbers whose product is minus 45 and sum is minus 4. They are minus 9 and 5. Product minus 9 into 5 minus 45. Minus 9 plus 5 minus 4. Right? Therefore, split the middle term. Minus 4x can be written as minus 9x plus 5x. Okay? Minus 9x plus 5x is minus 4x. Now, grouping. These two in one group. Next two terms in another group. What is common in first two terms? It is very clear. 3x is common factor. So take it outside. 3x. What is remaining? That is x minus 3. Plus, what is common in these two? 5 is common. Take it outside. Remaining x minus 3. So now you can see two terms here. X minus 3 is common. Take it outside. Here also x minus 3. Take it outside. X minus 3. What is remaining? 3x plus 5. Therefore, instead of 3x square minus 4x minus 15, we can write x minus 3 into 3x plus 5. So, these are the factors of fx. Factorize fx. You have to write the factors in product form. Remember, the question is factorized completely. So, you have to write the answer in product form. Otherwise, you will not get mark. Okay. So, the answer is x plus 2